गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल एंड टुडे आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आज हम जा रहे हैं टू वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट प्लेसेस इन गोवा एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज द संकन सिटी ऑफ गोवा या फिर द एटलांटिस ऑफ गोवा. टॉमी क्या हुआ है? ओके, सो एंड द मोर एक्साइटिंग पार्ट इज आई हैव माई मॉम एंड डैड कमिंग विथ मी टुडे on this adventure in Goa. So ये भी first time रहेगा and as you can see I'm not dressed in my riding gear because we are taking our car today. So let's head out. The trip has been set to 0, so let's roll. So दोस्तों, यू माइट बी वंडरिंग कि सुबह सुबह उठ के और सबको उठा के मैं कहाँ पे ले जा रहा हूँ. इफ़ आई टेल यू दैट नाउ तो वीडियो में आगे आपको मज़ा नहीं आएगा. और आफ्टरनून की हीट अवॉइड करने के लिए हम लोग सुबह निकले हैं. और यू माइट हैव ऑलरेडी गेस्ड वेयर आई एम गोइंग बेस्ड ऑन द थंबनेल एंड ऑब्वियसली द 2 phrases which I mentioned in the intro. इफ़ अगर आपने गेस कर लिया है तो जल्दी से कमेंट करो and let's see who's right. Okay, so the time right now is 8 and we started at 7 a.m. from house and we have traveled for about 50 kilometers and we are here right now. Beautiful location, beautiful place. I just stopped for a tea break. So आगे बताता हूँ क्या हो रहा है, किधर जा रहे हैं. Honestly, we are almost there, just a few kilometers from our destination for today. सच बोलूँ तो ये सुबह उठना और ड्राइव पे निकलना इज़ रियली फन. सोमेश्वर टेम्पल, कुर्डी. रास्ता क्या लंबा है ब्रो? रास्ता
You spoke too soon, boy.
Now what is Curdi? Where is Curdi? Well, for those of you who do not know, Curdi is a village in Sanguem taluka of Goa. The village was submerged in the year 1980s by the reservoir of Salaulim Dam. Every year at the peak of summer during April to May, parts of the submerged village rise above the water level for around a month. And that makes this place so special that people love to visit this place during this time. And as you can see, the road that leads to this place is not the easiest, but it's definitely better than what it was when I had come here a few years ago. And surprisingly, my Honda Jazz is doing quite well and it's finding these routes and navigating through them quite easily. It's like a single lane out here and also the camera is not doing justice to the uneven, unpaved roads. But hey, it's a part of the adventure and that's what we live for. Finally, after that small patch of off-roading, here we are. Just take a moment to soak in this view which you'll get as we come out of this narrow road. जे शॉप्स दिसता ती बी पावसान सगळी बुडटा हाफ लेवलाचे. हांगा बी फुल उदक असतं. फक्त ते माती रस्तो दिसता पळय थंयपर्यंत गाडी वचपा मेळटा. सो हियर वी आर. अभी हम लोग लेफ्ट में जाएंगे टू विजिट द टेम्पल विच इज़ हियर. राइट में भी देर इज मोर प्लेस टू एक्सप्लोर एंड विल डू दैट लेटर. डैड राइट नाउ सीम्स टू बी लाइकिंग द प्लेस. इज क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स एंड वीडियोज. मम हैज क्लिक्ड पिक्चर्स जस्ट नाउ एंड शी इज सिटिंग इनसाइड. दोस्तों, अभी कार में ड्राइव तो बहुत हो गया. रेस्ट ऑफ द जर्नी लेट्स फ्लाई. ती रायटाक चर्च दिसता पळय थंयच्यान तो रस्तो गेला पळय आमी त्याच रस्त्यांतल्यान आतां वयतले. Okay, here we are at the temple and let's get back on the ground. I always wanted to get my car over here and here we are today. I've been here once but वो स्कूटर में आया था मैं. हिमालयन लेके अब तक नहीं आया हूँ. Maybe बारिश में आऊँगा. So here's the temple in a flash. Right now they are putting these metal sheets and making improvements to the temple. So yeah, if you are coming here, be sure to make some donations. And just opposite the temple, we got this. Look at this beautiful view, man. Amazing, isn't it? Mama, how's the view? So after taking the view in and Bhagwan ke darshan bhi karne ke baad, I think it's time to head out of here as the sun has started coming out and it's getting very hot. So abhi darshan bhi karke ho gaya hai and mom and dad love the place. Car is parked here. Pravin is taking some drone shots जो आपने देखे हुए होंगे अब तक. So let me know how you feel about the place in the comment section below. अब तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. I'll show you more. थोड़ा इधर उधर एक्सप्लोर करेंगे वो दिखाता हूँ. बट अगर आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हो तो ये मत करना. If you can get stuff here, you know, take it back. I can see कचरा everywhere over here. So just take it back please because यहाँ पे आपका MMC या कोई नहीं आएगा to clean this stuff. You have to keep the area clean. So yeah, actually this was one of the reasons why I had not put a video on Curdi. I've been here like 4-5 times but video नहीं डाला था because yeah, so whenever a place gets famous people usually just litter over the place. So that's why मैंने यहाँ पे video नहीं बनाया था but बहुत लोगों ने already video बनाया है. So you know, I thought of doing it and telling the right message. So from my place, it's 54.9 kilometers exactly to get to such a beautiful location. Don't worry दोस्तों, वीडियो अभी बाकी है. Let's explore the place a bit more. दोस्तों बस एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे, इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो टिल हियर एंड अच्छा लगा है आपको वीडियो अब तक, तो इस वीडियो को हो सकते हो उतना शेयर कर देना. व्हाट्सएप पे, फेसबुक पे, आई डोंट माइंड, कहाँ पे भी शेयर कर देना, क्योंकि बहुत एफर्ट लगता है इस तरह का ट्रैवल वीडियो बनाने में. सो आई वुड रियली अप्रिशिएट सम लव फ्रॉम यू गाइस एज वेल. थैंक यू. So just exploring around Curdi and we have come here. अच्छा सीन दिख रहा है. So yeah, moving on to the next location. So let's ask mom and dad now how they feel about the place. On to you, Dad.
सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी कितेंतल्या सगळं गोवा पळोवपाचो प्रयत्न करपाचो, कोना कोपरो पळोवपाचो आनी स्पेशली कुर्डी गांवांनी येवन हे देवाची देणी, इतके निसर्गाची करणी पळोवपाक लोकांनी येवचें आनी आवर्जून त्याच्या बद्दल चिंतचें कितले सुंदर आहा पळय तें.
Okay, so Mama, how's the place?
This place is very beautiful.
So you heard it from my mom and dad. So get your parents here, get your uncle auntie here, show them the place around and enjoy. Keep it clean as well. Okay? On to the next one.
10 minutes later.
So while heading back home, we had to make a stop over here. अभी दर्शन करेंगे and I'll see you in the car later.
5 minutes later.
लेफ्टाक घ्या मातशें, म्युनिसिपालिटी जाली काय बाजारा कडेन रे, कोणें साल घेवय.
10 minutes later.
Yes. Finally made it back home and yeah, reverse camera भी कुछ नहीं है. The OG way, using the mirrors, parked the car and yeah, I'll show you what is the trip distance like. So the trip total is 114 kilometers and coming to the main point, made it back home safely. Just dropped off mom and dad, abhi park kiya car. And Pravin, thank you so much for the drone shots and thank you so much for coming and joining us on such short notice. Plus, if you have not visited the place Curdi, go ahead and do so before the rains take over that road which I mentioned in the video. And अगर आप वहाँ पे जा रहे हो तो प्लीज़ अपना जो कचरा लेके जा रहे हो, I won't say कचरा लेके जा रहे हो, I would rather say chips, water bottle या फिर किसी भी तरह का non biodegradable waste लेके जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे मत छोड़ देना उसको, because no one will pick it up there and it will remain there. So bring it back with you. खाली ही तो पैकेट है, खाली तो बॉटल है, अपनी कार में बाइक में डाल के लेके आना. And yeah, I hope you all like this video. Give mom and dad some love in the comment section as well. Mom and dad absolutely loved the place. They were talking about it on the way back also. Yeah, if you can and if your parents want to travel to such places, take them there, you know, because these kind of places are more of like found by youngsters or visited more by youngsters. But if elder people also want to check these places out, take them there. It's fun and उनको भी कुछ नया experience मिलेगा. And yeah, and if you are watching the video till here, hit that like button, comment your favorite moment of the video in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and peace out.
Bonus.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.